Types of triangles. Uh, so we can have types based on the lengths of the sides of triangle and based on the type of or based on the measures of the angles of triangle. So based on this we can have types of the triangle. First we'll look based on the lengths. So first is scalene triangle. So a scalene triangle is a triangle whose no two sides are equal is called scalene triangle. No two sides are equal. So if we do like this, and this is triangle ABC. So this and this, no two sides. So triangle ABC is a scalene triangle, as AB is not equal to BC is not equal to AC in terms of their length. Also AB is not equal to AC. Then comes isosceles triangle. So isosceles triangle. And this is a triangle whose two sides are equal is called isosceles triangle. So triangle ABC. So two sides are equal. So triangle ABC is isosceles triangle, as here AB equals to AC. Then comes equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. It's a triangle whose all sides are equal to one another is called equilateral triangle. So here we can draw a figure of a equilateral triangle. These markings say that their lengths are equal. So triangle ABC is equilateral triangle where AB equals to AC, BC equals to AC. we have written this also, as BC is not equal to AC. I doubt that is it necessary to write here. Let's see. Equilateral triangle, so AB equals to BC equals to AC. Now based on the angles, we can say that based on the angle there is first acute triangle. Acute means a triangle. Acute triangle means a triangle whose all sides, or sorry, all angles are acute, is called acute triangle or acute angled triangle. And acute angle means angle less than 90 degrees. That's the acute angle. So we can draw a figure like this. A, B, C. So triangle ABC is acute angled triangle, where angle A, angle B and angle C are acute angles. Now next is right angle, right triangle. So a triangle whose one angle is a right angle is known as right triangle or right angled triangle. So if we draw a figure like this, let's say A, B, C, and this is the right angle. So triangle ABC is right angled triangle, where angle B equals to 90 degrees. Next is obtuse triangle. So it's a triangle whose one angle is obtuse. Here I think forget to know. So a triangle whose one angle is obtuse angle is known as obtuse triangle or obtuse angled triangle. So let's say we draw a triangle like this. So here makes an obtuse angle, let's say DEF. So triangle DEF is an obtuse angled triangle, where angle E is an obtuse angle. So that's the obtuse triangle. And obtuse triangle means angle is more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. That's the obtuse angle. Now let's go to perimeter. Perimeter of a triangle. The sum of all lengths of a triangle is called its perimeter. So perimeter of a triangle equals to A plus B plus C, where A, B, C are sides of a triangle.